Hello, my dear friends. Namaste, please. I am Dr. Sanjay Gaikwad, author, orator, and college teacher. Friends, as you know that on this YouTube channel, we have been uploading the complete course book of HSC English from Maharashtra State Board. And if you are learning in HSC, that is 12th, maybe arts, maybe commerce, or maybe science, English is compulsory subject. Do subscribe the channel. किंवा तुमचे कोणी हितचिंतक जर असेल अँड दोज आर लर्निंग इन 12th, आता शाळा बंद आहे परंतु शाळा बंद शिक्षण चालू. वी आर गोइंग टू इम्प्लिमेंट this policy everywhere in Maharashtra. So do send and do forward the links to those all students, to those all well-wishers of yours. So friends, today in this video we are going to study 2.2 Indian Weavers, the poem Indian Weavers from Sarojini Naidu's pen. The poem is written by Sarojini Naidu. And who was Sarojini Naidu? Yes, one of the important political activists in India, of India. And she fought the struggle, the independence movement against Britishers. She was leading the movement. She was leading the campaign. And she is also known as feminist, Strivadi. So, supporter of women she was. Again, she became the first president, first woman president of Indian National Congress. And after independence, she also became the first woman governor of United Provinces. भारतीय काँग्रेसची पहिली महिला अध्यक्षही त्या झालेल्या आहेत आणि राज्यपाल, महिला राज्यपाल म्हणूनही त्यांचं नाव हे नोंदविले गेलेलं आहे आणि त्यांनी कविताही लिहिलेल्या आहेत. सो सी इज ऑल्सो नोन ॲज फेमस पोएटेस, कवयित्री. अँड इंडियन वीवर्स इज वन ऑफ द शॉर्टेस्ट पोएम्स, परहॅप्स द शॉर्टेस्ट पोएम पेन्ड, कंपोज्ड by Sarojini Naidu. Bharatiya Vinkar, actually weaving is one of the professions, artisans, craftsmanship in Indian tradition. आणि त्यांनी त्या विणकराच्या 3 अवस्था, 3 stages have been depicted in the 3 stanzas of the poem. Actually ह्या ज्या 3 steps आहेत, those 3 steps are compared with the 3 stages of our life. What is our first step? Birth. That is childhood. And this birth, that is childhood, is compared with the morning working of the weavers. आणि मॉर्निंगला ते weavers काय विणत आहे तर ते आंगडे टोपडे विणत आहेत. आणि कुणासाठी तर that is for newly born children, newly born child. So the morning is associated, or the morning signifies birth. That is our first step. Then the second stage is depicted in the poem, that is evening. And at the evening, what are they weaving? What are the weavers weaving? Weavers काय विणत आहेत? The weavers are weaving marriage veil, VEIL veil, पडदा, बुरखा. येथे आपण असं म्हणूया की विवाहाचे कपडे, वस्त्र ते विणत आहेत. फॉर द क्वीन्स. ऍक्च्युअली दॅट इज फॉर द प्रिन्सेस. प्रिन्सेस आहेत, त्या प्रिन्सेस लग्नानंतर क्वीन्स होणार ना, म्हणून त्यांसाठीचे ते वस्त्र विणत आहे. अँड दॅट स्टेज इज ऑल्सो कम्पेअर्ड विथ अवर युथनेस, यंग, तारुण्यासोबत त्याची तुलना केलेली आहे. अँड ॲट लास्ट दे आर विविंग श्राउड, फ्युनरल श्राउड. रात्रीची वेळ आहे, गारठा आहे वातावरणामध्ये आणि फ्युनरल श्राउड ते विणत आहेत. फ्युनरल दॅट इज अंतिम, श्राउड दॅट इज प्रेत वस्त्र. प्रेत वस्त्र, जी डेड बॉडी आहे दॅट इज कॉल्ड ॲज प्रेत, आणि त्याच्यासाठीच ते वस्त्र विणत आहे. आणि म्हणून दॅट नाईट टाइम, दॅट चिल्ड नाईट इज सिम्बॉलायझिंग द डेथ. सो 3 times of the day, morning, evening and night, and 3 stages of our life, that is birth, youth and death, have been very significantly, very excellently interwoven, composed together by Sarojini Naidu. So let's see these very three short stanzas. Let's get started. So see, dear friends, 2.2 Indian Weavers is our poem and we are going to study it. Now see, the photo. Whose photo is it? Sarojini Naidu's photo. And Sarojini Naidu has written the poem Indian Weavers. Let's see something about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu, 1879 to 1949, was a political activist. She is not just a poet, but she was a political activist, Rajakiya Karyakarta, feminist. So she is also known as feminist. What do you mean by feminist? So feminist, supporter of women, Strivadi Karyakarta, and the first Indian woman who became the president of the Indian National Congress. भारतीय राष्ट्रीय कांग्रेस का अध्यक्ष बनने वाली वो पहली भारतीय महिला है. So the credit goes to her for becoming the first Indian woman president of Indian National Congress. She was an important figure in India's struggle for independence. India has fought her independence struggle against UK, United Kingdom, that is England. And so this Sarojini Naidu was an important figure in India's struggle movement of independence. Independence, that is liberty, Swatantriya. Now see, Sarojini Naidu's work as a poet earned her the sobriquet of Nightingale of India. She was a political activist. She also became the first president of Indian National Congress, but along with that, she was also well known as a poet. And due to her poetry, she could earn, ती मिळवू शकली, what? Sobriquet. What do you mean by sobriquet? Sobriquet means nickname, token noun of Nightingale of India. So what is the sobriquet of Sarojini Naidu? Nightingale of India. Nightingale, that is रात्री व दिवसाही गाणारा बुलबुल पक्षी. So Sarojini Naidu, who was Sarojini Naidu? Nightingale of India. Okay. Later, she became the governor. Good, very good. Governor, that is Rajyapal of the United Provinces. Province, that is territory, Prant, in 1947, and becoming the first woman to hold the office of the governor in independent India. So look, she was the first woman president of Indian National Congress as well as the first governor of independent India. And she has earned the sobriquet of Nightingale of India. So she was a prominent figure in literature as well as in politics. Indian Weavers, see about the poem. Indian Weavers, Bharatiya Vinkar, is a short poem, perhaps the shortest from our course book, where the poet talks about three types of garment. The poet, who is the poet? Sarojini Naidu, and she talks about three types of garment. Garment, that is vesture, वस्त्र, कपडा. तीन प्रकारच्या कपड्याविषयी ती कवयित्री बोलत आहेत. That the weavers weave at three particular times of a day, and those weavers weave their garments at particular times of day. Each stanza of the poem represents the three important events of human life. आणि ज्या तीन वेळेला हे भारतीय विणकर त्यांची वस्त्र विणतात ते रिप्रेझेंट करतात त्या वेळा. रिप्रेझेंट्स थ्री important events of human life. And which three events are these? Birth, adulthood, and death. Okay, so birth, that is childhood, adulthood, that is young, and death, that is old age. Okay, the colors mentioned in the stanzas are very significant as they indicate the moods related to the events. Colors are also there, and those colors also indicate that is point out, show, दर्शविणे. काय दर्शवितात? The moods related to the events. घटनांशी संबंधित असे ते moods त्या ठिकाणी दर्शवितात. So see the poem Indian Weavers, and here is the first stanza. Weavers weaving at break of day. So weavers, what do weavers do? They weave at break of day. At every break of day they weave. Why do you weave a garment so gay? Why do you weave? Why do you weave garment? Garment, that is an item of clothing. Vastra. So gay, so happily. Why do you weave garments so happily? Blue as the wing of Halcyon wild. आणि कसं आहे ते? The Halcyon that is kingfisher bird. Kingfisher पक्षाचे जे पंख आहेत, blue means colorful. So the garment which the weavers are weaving is colorful, like Halcyon bird. We weave the robes of a newborn child. And what do weavers say? Weavers say, विणकर म्हणतात, we weave the robes. Robes, that is vasre. But here is angde topde. And this angde topde is not for young people, not for elders, but these are for small children, particularly newborn child. Particularly newborn children wear these robes. So this is the morning time, and so at the morning time the weavers are weaving robes, and they are weaving robes for newborn child. So this is the morning time, and morning is compared with newborn child. So that is the state of birth. Weavers weaving at fall of night. So they at fall of night means at evening they are weaving. Why do you weave a garment so bright? Now how is the color of the garment? So bright, shubra, सखाकी देणारा असा त्याचा तो रंग आहे. And poet asks to the weavers, why do you weave a garment so bright? इतना सफेद, इतना शुभ्र क्यों आप ये गारमेंट क्लोथ्स व्यू कर रहे हैं? लाइक द प्लम्स ऑफ अ पीकॉक. अभी यहाँ पे देखो, ये जो गारमेंट है इसका कंपैरिजन किसके साथ किया है? प्लम्स के साथ किया है. और कौन से वर्ड का इस्तेमाल किया है? लाइक. सो दिस इज अ फिगर ऑफ स्पीच, दॅट इज सिमिली. सिमिली म्हणजे दोघांमध्ये जेव्हा तुलना असते आणि ती सो ॲज लाईक न केलेली असते तेव्हा ती सिमिली, तो अलंकार सिमिली अलंकार असतो. नाउ हिअर गारमेंट्स have been compared with plums of a peacock. आणि म्हणून सरोजिनी नायडू त्या विणकरांना म्हणते, why do you weave a garment so bright like the plums of a peacock, purple and green? So not of just a bright, but it is just like the peacock's plums, purple and green. So colorful garments are there. Garments are colorful means life is also colorful. मजा आता है ना लाइफ का. We weave the marriage veils of a queen. यहाँ पे देखो plums, purple और veils का मतलब क्या है? Plums, soft feathers, पक्ष्यांची पिसे. Here plums of a peacock, purple, that is जांभळा, and green, you know that is हिरवा. We weave the marriage veils. आम्ही विवाहाचा पडदा, बुरखा विणतो आहे. Whose marriage veils are these? Queen means princess, who is going to become a queen, जो कि रानी बनने जा रही है. It means that the time of marriage is the time of youth. आणि तारुण्यावस्था ही या ठिकाणी सरोजिनी नायडूने रेखाटलेली आहे. फर्स्टली द बर्थ स्टेट, न्यूबॉर्न बेबीच्या संदर्भात, आणि येथे क्वीन्सचा सहारा घेऊन youth, तारुण्यावस्था has been depicted by Sarojini Naidu, the Nightingale of India. See the last stanza. Weavers weaving solemn and still. Now look, how are weavers now? Weavers are solemn, serious, गंभीर ते आहेत. And still they are silent. शांत आहेत, धीर गंभीर आहेत. What do you weave in the moonlight chill? Now there is moonlight. It means that there is night. And how is the weather? The weather is chill. गारवा आहे वातावरणामध्ये. White as a feather and white as a cloud. आणि आता काय विविंग करत आहेत ते? त्यांचं जे वस्त्र आहे, हाऊ इज दॅट? अगेन इट इज व्हाईट, शुभ्र ते आहे. ॲज अ फीदर अँड व्हाईट ॲज अ क्लाउड. पक्ष्यांच्या पिसांप्रमाणे शुभ्र किंवा ढगांप्रमाणे शुभ्र ते आहे. अँड यू मस्ट हॅव सीन when do we use this white cloth, and it is given here. We weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Weavers काय म्हणतायत सरोजिनी नायडूंना? We weave, we have been weaving, we are weaving. What are we weaving? A dead man's, मृत माणसाचं funeral. Funeral, that is दफन. And shroud, a cloth in which a dead person is wrapped. ज्या कापडामध्ये डेड पर्सन हा रॅप केलेला असतो, गुंडाळलेला असतो, त्याचं ते प्रेतवस्त्र आहेत. म्हणजे नाव सी अगेन, हाऊ इज द टाइम? द स्टील टाइम. अँड हाऊ आर द वीवर्स? दे आर सोलम, धीर गंभीर आहेत. अँड हाऊ इज द वेदर? चिल. अँड विच टाइम इज देअर? Moonlight, means night time is there. And they say white as a feather and white as a cloud. They have been weaving a garment which is white. And how white? White as a feather and white as a cloud. आणि शेवटी ते या ठिकाणी स्पष्ट करतात, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. They have been weaving dead man's funeral shroud. अंत्यविधीसाठी वापरण्यात येणारं प्रेतवस्त्र ते या ठिकाणी विणत आहे. सो अगेन सी, इन द फर्स्ट स्टांझा द वीवर्स आर weaving robes of a newborn child. न्यूबॉर्न चाइल्डचा robes, अंगडे टोपडे ते विणत आहे. सो दिस इज मॉर्निंग टाइम, अँड मॉर्निंग टाइम इज कन्सिडर्ड विथ द व्हेरी फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ ह्युमन बीइंग, दॅट इज बर्थ. Okay, this is the second stanza, and in this second stanza weavers are weaving. What are they weaving? Marriage veils of a queen. म्हणजे तारुण्यावस्था आहे, लग्नाची अवस्था आहे, आणि यामध्ये आनंदानं ते मॅरेज व्हेल्स या ठिकाणी विणत आहेत. सो दिस इव्हिनिंग टाइम, फॉल ऑफ नाईट, इव्हिनिंग टाइम इज कम्पेअर्ड विथ द youth state of human being. And this is the last stanza, and the time is night, weather is chill. And what are the weavers weaving? They are weaving dead man's funeral shroud. अंत्यविधीचा त्यांचा जो श्राउड आहे, प्रेतवस्त्र, ते जे विणत आहेत. And how are they? They are solemn, धीर गंभीर, and still. Friends, thank you very much for watching the complete video. Again I suggest you, again I request you, 12वीच्या पुस्तकातील कोणताही भाग जर अभ्यासायचा असेल तर go in the description box. In the description box you will get titles and their links. See the title and click the link and you will get best videos of that specific, of that particular topic. Enjoy it. घरी रहा, सुरक्षित रहा. Stay home, stay safe, and continue the process of learning. शाळा बंद, शिक्षण चालू. Thank you.